Save time by quoting your own clients directly from your ECU360 account using the Client Quote feature. With the ECU360 Client Quote feature, you will be able to quote your customers directly from your ECU360 account. Once you have created a quote and reviewed the quote details, simply go to the Client Quote tab. Alternatively, after saving your own quote, navigate to the page My Quotes and click on the Client Quote button. A Client Quote option will appear. Now you can add your company logo on the client quote and also edit the validity if required. You can review the EQ charges from your generated quote. Here you can add a percentage markup against the entire quote or adjust the value in any of the existing charges individually. Likewise, you can create a new charge by clicking on the plus icon. We also have an option to hide the cost breakdown to your customers so they only see a lump sum amount. To finalize your client quote, now simply provide your customer's contact details, include your own remarks and terms and conditions with the option to save or load templates for the same. Now you are good to go by clicking on Submit. To save and email the client quote directly from your ECU360 account to your customer. All saved client quotes can be reviewed in the feature, My Quotes, under the Client Quote tab with additional print and email option.